Hi guys, today we are unboxing. We got Crystal Plus Smart Voltage Stabilizer with 3 ampere cutoff rating. Okay, let's go unbox it. Hi guys, today we are This is the big horn 220 crossover plus smart. There is weddings. We observe weddings here. A commodity electronics model Crystal Plus Smart with the model capacity is 3 amps with input voltage 230 for usage and output voltage stabilizer voltage we are getting. We have one LED display sound segment display here for it is used for DVD and home theater as well as up to 3 amps only with the single phase voltage up to 700. I think up to 700 volts we can use this stabilizer. This MRP is 3790 rupees, but we got it for just 244 rupees on Flipkart on offer. Okay, let's unbox it and see what's inside that. Warranty card. We have warranty card containing we got and some drilling manual with this one. Got this drilling manual. Put it aside. This is stabilizer. Here. The company gave an hardware items also to fix it. Hardware items. Here we go. This is the stabilizer. What we got usually nothing. Focus. We are. Here we got the stabilizer. It's a backside and it's a sonic voltage stabilizer, AC, Crystal Plus Smart, 3 amps, Industries Limited. Okay, tested. India Coach Industries Limited. Okay, let's switch on this. We have a fuse here, right over there. They given some fuse here, and the fuse needs to be at this part. I think it is. There's a fuse here. Let's tap it. There we go. given 3 amps fuse here. Come on. Already given fuse here, but this is a spare fuse given to him. Okay. I installed this stabilizer to the wall, and here we go. We are observing this readings. Output voltage is 7 segment display with 7 is come with 7 segment display. Its input voltage is 231, and it's not like more voltage. It's normal voltage. Output also 231. Here the working condition of this stabilizer, and I connected to it my PC, and my PC is here and it's working well, and I connected for also my soundbar also. It's 150 watts Samsung soundbar. So guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.